I have told you this so that my joy may be in you and that your joy may be complete. John 15 verses 11. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today we'll be making this delicious and very simple egg and vegetable fried rice. Let's get started. Very quick tour of our ingredients. Here we have our leftover cooked Jasmine rice. Okay, you can use any type of rice that you prefer. Here are some medium-sized egg. I have 8 of them. We have here a few vegetables, which I will list everything down below in the description box. And the vegetable that really stood out to me here was the purple or red cabbage. I absolutely love that so much. To that, I do have some Maggi sauce, oyster sauce, and some dark soy sauce. I have 5 cloves of garlic. I love garlic in my egg fried rice, and a thumb size ginger. And here I have some shrimp powder seasoning and some cooking olive oil, and that is all. You don't even need salt here because all that seasoning comes with a lot of salt, okay? But you just do you. But before I start with the fried rice process, I will be air frying my hake fish. That is what we will be pairing the fried rice with, okay? And to that I have my shrimp powder seasoning and my all amazing green chili sauce. I just love this sauce so much. I've already shared the recipe and I'll link it right here just in case you missed the show. You need to go ahead and watch it and make it at home. It's absolutely fantastic. So I'll go ahead and season it well, and I touch it with a bit of olive oil as well. I'll just put everything in the air fryer. That is it, as simple as that. I will not be worrying about the fish at all. I just set it for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. That is all. So here I just grated my carrots and purple cabbage. I really love to grate these 2 ingredients rather than chopping them because it makes the color and the texture of the fried rice really enjoyable. Right now our veggies are set to go and I'm really excited about that. So it's now time for me to prep the eggs, and yeah, you go ahead and crack them one after the other because you never know which egg has actually gone bad, okay? It takes a little bit of patience, but it will turn out perfect, okay? And I will season it with a little bit of the shrimp seasoning and my Maggi sauce, about a teaspoon each, and you'll be good to go. Please be sure to whisk your eggs very well just so that you get that fluffy scrambled eggs for your fried rice. Those sound was just amazing. Now let's scramble these eggs. Fluffy looking scrambled eggs is what you need for this type of fried rice, okay? So go ahead and be very gentle about it. Seeing on your screen is exactly how you will achieve those chunky and fluffy looking scrambled eggs for the fried rice, okay? You go ahead and scramble it for just about 2 minutes. You don't want it to be completely dry as well, okay? This part is actually very tempting. You do not want to end up eating all the eggs before the fried rice is ready, do you? Please be sure to resist the devil and go ahead with the other process. So the next one that I have to do here quickly is to crush my ginger and garlic. Very quick one, and we will go ahead and saute our veggies as well. So in the same pan I'll add a few drops of cooking olive oil. Once the oil heats up a little bit, I'll then add my chopped onions and also a tablespoon of the crushed garlic and ginger. That freshness of these 2 ingredients make the fried rice extra special. And once it has been fried for about 2 minutes, allow those 2 to fry for about 2 minutes, and then introduce my mixed bell peppers. I use here the green, the red, and the yellow ones. Absolutely my favorite. It makes everything or every dish very, very colorful. And once it has been fried for about 2 minutes, fry that for 2 minutes and then introduce my grated carrots and purple cabbage. Okay, that is absolutely another favorite of mine. These two combinations are just so lovely to have in your meals. So you can also use the white cabbage if that's what you have. It gives this fried rice extra beautiful crunch. Okay, I season it with some shrimp powder and a little bit more of the Maggi seasoning. Okay, give everything a good mix, fry it for about 2 minutes and just put it aside. Okay, just put it aside. So yes, you put it aside and go ahead with the rice. Yes, you're not going to add it at this point. That is the whole twist about this fried rice. Okay, so once that is done, I'll go ahead and then add lots more flavor to this rice, because this is just rice cooked with just water. Okay, it needs some flavors. We're going to build up the flavors. Okay, so in the pan I added about a tablespoon of the cooking olive oil, and I added the rice, and then the remaining crushed ginger and garlic is going to be added right here. Bang! I promise you, these two ingredients takes this rice to the level that it needs to be, right up there. So onto that I add a tablespoon of my oyster sauce and a little bit of the dark soy sauce. I do not like to have lots of soy sauce in my dishes. That is why I always go for the dark soy sauce, because a little bit of it goes a long way. Just look at the color that it brought to this rice. A beautiful brown color like this. Just in case you're using the light one, you have to add lots and lots of it. Okay, so please go for the dark soy sauce. It actually saves lives. It saves life. Okay, so I added the remaining Maggi sauce, and now the spring onions is getting in for some extra beautiful crunchy vibes here. This fried rice is actually done now. All that we have to do is reintroduce our scrambled eggs. Look at those chunks. And the veggies, so colorful and just so beautiful. You can even tell that everything has been well seasoned already, so you do not want to add anything more. Okay, just mix everything together and allow it to fry for about 1 minute, and voila, that beautiful chunky vegetable and egg fried rice is just so ready. So what a transformation from just a regular leftover rice to this, like fam. You need to try this right now. It is actually so delicious to have, and you can whip this under 15 minutes. Banging. So there you have it, family. Thank you so very much, family, for watching right to the end. And of course, as I introduced in the beginning, you can absolutely have this fried rice on its own, but here we paired it with this hake fish, air fried hake fish that came out so good, and also our Ghana salad. I also have a recipe of that. I will link it here for you to watch. Okay, so there you have it, sitting pretty on the table. Bring us to the end, family. Thank you so very much, family, for watching through the end, and please be sure to give me a like, comment down below, and share to a few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Bye.